Level up and transform your skin with the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner.
Hydration boosting essence meets skin softening toner.
A multitasking treatment step to brighten and even tone.
For hydrated and more radiant skin.
A concentrated treatment for visible skin improvement. I love that it's efficacious while still being gentle on skin. Packed with clinically effective CoQ10 to help strengthen skin while boosting the effectiveness of other key ingredients.
Cloudberry concentrate to even tone and brighten skin.
5% glycerin for intense hydration.
Amino acids to strengthen, build, and fortify skin barrier. And fermented rice water to even tone and brighten skin. Use daily AM and PM after cleansing and before any other skincare.
Dispense 1 to 2 pumps in the palm of your hand. Pat and press gently onto the face and neck.
Follow with the rest of your skincare routine.
Try the 3-skin method for firm and supple skin with a subtle dewy glow. Pat 3 consecutive layers of Essence Toner onto the skin to increase hydration without the heaviness of creams and oils.
Brighten and even tone.
Support, activate, and boost your serums.
Soften and hydrate skin.
With the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner.